Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be pushing our SSGs and our marksmanship skills to the limit. We're going to be doing a trick shot challenge. Me versus my buddy Fabi and Magnus Edge. And the one who loses this, who gets the least amount of shots, right?
Oh shit, ah, Jesus.
Get shot in the back. Alright, let's go. Alright, first one, we're using the pistol. Where's the water balloon that's swinging right there, about 10-15 meters away. Not today. Next! Are you serious? The first shot! Alright, for the next shot, we're shooting a playing card from 55 meters away. We measured it using this thing, so we know it's 55. Fabi's up first. Here we go. That was close. Yeah. Alright boys, let me show you how it's done. Yeah, buddy! Wow. 5 minutes later, I'm done. Next! So for the next one, Magnus has to nail this one, otherwise I win this round. It's gonna be easy, isn't it? Oh, that was so close. No. Oh, that was so close!
Alright guys, so for the next one, I'm gonna show you how to shoot around the corner. Yeah, man.
Alright, for the next one, we're going to be shooting this candle right here, 40 meters away from the sniper hut up there with an SSG. Fabi's up first.
Oh, sorry. What? I hit it! Nice! Yeah! Does it count? It's no, that doesn't count, does it? I mean, it's out!
First shot, baby. Here we go.
Fucking out of time. That's a miss.
Did you actually get it?
Yeah.
Cool.
I hit it!
Because Magnus came closer to the actual flame, which was the idea, he took that round. Alright, for the next challenge we have to shoot into a tiny pipe, curving the shot around and hitting the balloon on the other end.
I make this a one shot.
Great form. It's fucking metal. Alright, next! Alright, that small ass tube. Right there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2. Alright, 1, okay. Well.
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, I heard the balloon.
Yeah, 2 points, baby! That's a tiebreaker between you guys. Alright, for the tiebreaker, these two guys are going to be shooting the balloon on the drone, chilling up there. The one who doesn't get it is going to get shot with a 40mm grenade launcher. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's the equipment that I have. M132 microgun Golden Desert Eagle, sawed-off double-barrel shotgun, M32 grenade launcher. I've gathered over the years.